In today's quick tip, I'm going to show you all how you can add shortcuts to your quick actions menu. So let's get right to it. So as you see here, I have opened up my desktop on my Mac, and you know how sometimes when you right click on an item on your desktop or wherever it is located on your computer, and you go down here, you see open with, remove downloads, move trash, get info, but you also have this quick actions menu here. And a lot of times they don't have very much in here. Now, depending on the file type that you actually click on will determine which one of these quick actions show up here, okay? So let's say, for instance, I wanted to move this YDM projects. I could right click on that, go down to quick actions, and you see there ain't that many options here, okay? Just what pertains to that item. But how do you add things to the quick actions section? Well, this is how you add it. What you do here is you go into Spotlight, and all you have to do is type in auto, and it'll pull up Automator. When you pull up Automator, it'll come up with this dialog box that pops up. All you have to do here is click on Quick Action, because that's what we're adding to, right? Click on Quick Action, hit Choose, and then it'll have this long list of stuff here. And so let's say, for instance, I want to add, move to photos or move to movies or move to whatever. If I know I'm going to move a file that I want to move it somewhere else and I want a quick action like that, and I have a destination in mind, all I have to do is type in move here and it says move finder item, okay? Then I just drag that over here into this gray box, and now I can move it to wherever I want to move it. Maybe I want to move it to pictures, okay? So if I select pictures, voila. Now all I've done now is I've selected that I want to move it, but there's one little final step. You gotta go up here to File and hit Save, and you need to say move to pictures, because if you just leave it as untitled in your quick actions, it's going to show untitled, okay? And that's not going to be very helpful for you. You're like, what's this untitled for? I don't even know. Well, you want to name it, so when you pull up your quick actions, you'll know what it's for, okay? So in this situation, I'll say move to pictures. So I'll just hit Save, right? And now, if you look here, when I go over here to my picture here, I can right click on it, and now in the quick actions there is move to pictures, and if I just click on that, it will move that automatically to pictures. Just that simple, okay? Also, like I say, you can also when you first get your Mac, by the way, a lot of times it doesn't have any way of converting a picture file. Maybe you want to convert this JPEG to a PNG. Well, if you notice here, I already have that set up here. And all you do is hit that convert, and it'll pull up this nice little drop-down box, and then you can convert it to PNG or HEIF, whatever you want to do right here. And it'll even preserve the metadata. You can choose whether it's actual size, large size, medium size, or small size. So how do you do that? Well, same thing. You just go into your Spotlight and select Automator, go to Quick Actions, and then you know what you're going to do. It's an image, right? So you type in image, and you just go down here and you find it, okay? And that would be easy if I actually can see, but I can't see very much. But anywho, I think it's actually under convert. Sorry about that. All right, convert types of images, okay? So you just click on that, drag that over here. And now I can't really do that because I have already added it. But that's basically all you have to do. Just add it there and then name it, and then you're good to go. So anyways, I hope this episode was helpful for y'all. And if it was, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish y'all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.